special delivery.
Okay guys, back at it again here guys with this one. It's the turns down again guys. Carty and Carty here guys with this HD 5000. As you can see here, so I already take the cover off, only to find a lot of surprises. You can see here I busted up MOSFET with along with the MOSFET these little switching IC for the MOSFET 5 volts to the MOSFET. That thing is, that IC is messed up, real burnt. I'm not, yes, you guys not seeing it clear from this angle. Let me see if you guys can see it from this. It's right here. All of them, both of them split. I can see that thing is split open. So when I take it out and I'll do that, I'm gonna show you guys how bad it is. But yeah, pretty damaged, this amplifier, really. So let's go ahead and take it apart, then I go from there. Hold on, let me get a better view. Yeah, let me adjust this camera a little guys, make sure everything is in full view of you guys. So, take them out for the circuit board here. This screw that bolt the circuit board to the chassis. Yeah, like, oh my words. They always have that one guy that's giving you. I have a backup plan right here. Good. Nicely done. Yep. Guys, I hope my background music is not too loud. If it is, I'm sorry. But I hate to work without a little music, I swear. I know it's not the greatest background music, but you know, it does help sometimes. Alright. Okay. Take all these screws here. So the two screws I take on, I mean, three screws guys I take on the front. The one that screw the RCA in, or the RCA input in right there, and the one for the speakers. That's all you have to remove from the front panel. We don't never ever take out the front panel unless there's a really big issue. Unless there's a really big issue with this amplifier that I have to take it off, like it's bent and I have to straighten it. So now guys, there's this little inductor card right here. Got some silicone that I'm gonna have to somehow cut off or somehow get rid of. Glues to the chassis and to the circuit board, so this is going to give me a little problem to get the circuit board out. Don't need so. In this case, you know, I think I'm gonna have to take this off right here. I'm gonna have to take. Yeah. This screw is preventing me from taking this old piece off, so let me screw it down so I can remove it. So now it's been removed. Alright guys, so there's some screw underneath the, oh wow, there's one more notch. Very fun. Plug the solder iron in. I didn't plug the solder iron in as yet. Let me do it now. Maybe these fans are not good. I wouldn't be surprised if they're bad. Definitely wouldn't be surprised, guys. Alright. Let me keep removing screws. This screw right here. Alright. These two right here. These two always underneath the fan. You have to remove the fan out most of the time to remove those screws. Well, not much. All of the time if you want to remove it, you have to take the fan apart. So now you can do, oh, it does come up with on those. Okay, that glue wasn't that glue to the chassis that much, so the circuit board comes up, guys, without any fuss or fight. So put that one side. This here is right here now. So no. Wow. Yeah, you guys, this is what I was talking about, guys. You see, these things are really, come on, busted up, really bad. I don't know what is wrong with this camera, guys, but the focus on it is not that great. You see, these one burst, so they were inside the inside the chassis, and I throw them out when I take the cover off, guys. So that's that. So alright, so let me see underneath here. No, pretty good condition. The bottom of the board looks really good, guys. So what I'm going to do now, let's see here what's going on here. My fluke in view so you guys can see. Output the power supply MOSFETs are all bad, so I'm gonna replace all those. So I'm gonna start with, oh, these are what bending up. Well, start with the output here, which that looks pretty good right there. Output on this side, those looks good. I think maybe these are okay. Oh no, man, what if I have these 4768? Oh wow, yeah, these MOSFET on this side is bad. Yeah, these are the 4768. I think these are like 200 volts if I'm not wrong. This guy's, should I show you? 4768. Let's see. No, it's not giving you a very good view. Yeah, but these are the 4768, guys. So, in case you wanna know, so I think I have two that I got, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it from my batch. I have a batch that I don't trust. So alright, let's see. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm gonna remove all this. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 power supply MOSFET on this side and 6, so 12 in total. And then this is a little thing I was showing you about the IC. Yeah, as you can see, it's really busted up. That, wow. And that's yeah, this one, this is the 4427, something like something. Yeah, 4427 Hz IRS 4427. So I'll get back to you guys soon as I take these out, and when I'm going to put the new ones in, I confirm. And these are the Taramps regular use MOSFET, and those are the 1404 IR 1404. Yes, guys. So yep. The driver MOSFET, you know, as usual, is the SI 82844B. Alright, so I'll pause the video for a while, guys, because I want to do this in one video if all goes well and get back to you. But these are really burned bad. The circuit board even burned, so I'm gonna have to make some little. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, guys, so give me a couple minutes and I'll get back to you guys real soon. So, guys, right now I'm making a little room for this thing to work right here, guys. It's not gonna be easy. Pin for these are broken off, so I have to figure out what goes where. So this go to the number 3 pin. 1, 2, 3. So this should tie in with that. So this ground wire broke off from here, guys. So I'm gonna have to put a little piece of copper wire across here. See, we're making this. I'm scratching the circuit board, guys, so I can. Yeah, you could see right there where I'm scratching the circuit board, so I can find a way to put this 4427 back to, and also do some little modification because can't go back the way it was. So alright, so this pin, my daughter is coming out through this door now. She's opening the door. Why don't you ask mom? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Guys, you know me, my daughter is asking for tea and his mom is inside. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, so guys, you see I did even have to remove the cap right here. Oh my god, come on, son. Remove the cap, see that right here? Just so I can make some modification right here for this circuit right here. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna have to remove this cap too. Oh my word. Alright, so now let's get a piece of copper wire. This guy, I'm gonna get a piece of copper so I can make a little bridge for the third pin. This thing burnt off. So I get like this is how much grid wire is this here? I forgot. This is a 10 gauge watt. I'm using 1 strand of the copper wire. Please use copper, guys. It's not going to hold with no aluminum stuff. But we use true copper wire, guys, right here. True copper. So what I'm going to do, let me thin it a bit so I can clip it off at the end. So from here, yep, to hold on, yep, should be from right from there to here, if I'm not wrong. All right, because I would have something that could close up. You could see what I'm doing from. I'll soon get a good camera, guys, so bear with me. As soon as I can do this thing full time, get more time and stuff. Alright, so let's just cut this off right here. Yep. So that would be it for there. And I can say from now, the next one is not gonna seat it down properly. The one I'm going to put there is not gonna seat it down with this wire that easily. I could have run it across the top of it. That could be something, but for now, going to do it like that. So I think I have a bunch of these. MOSFET is right, 27. And where is another? Let me get 2 of the same batch. For 27S. This is 4427S, guys. I don't know if you can see them right here, but this thing is not. This camera is not that good with close-up stuff. So those are the 4427S, guys. So which I'm going to use to start right there. Get sorry guys if my hand is in the way, so sorry. So always good to put a little solder on the legs, guys. So man, I should have used my tape that I normally use to hold this thing to the table. Okay, guys, so this one goes here like that. So what I'm going to do, and then these guys, I don't, the number what, 8 pin, they don't use it. So, and the number 1 pin, they don't use it. So it's only the rest they use. So that and that. Right. So I'm gonna solder these guys and I'll get back to you guys once I soldered everything and let you see the result. But I'm pretty sure this part is going to give me a fight, so let's turn this. Well, guys, I'm going to solder this and explain to you what I did, and I'll get back to you real soon. All right. Okay, guys, we have a lot of issue with this amplifier, guys. A lot of issue. Point out one more. So from this 25 volts cap, 22 microfarad, there's a 10 ohms resistor right here. Sorry about that. 10 ohm resistor right here. On the other side, it's right here beside this cap right here, guys. There's a 10 ohm resistor right down there. Let me give you the. Alright, this one say, let me see. Make sure. I think this says R87. Hold on. Let's make sure, guys, so I can tell you which I'm talking about. So this one is the, yes, R87. That burnt out on this side, the resistor. That's a 10 ohm resistor. And on this side, it says R82. This side says R82. 82, yeah, R82. It's also burnt out. So I'm going to replace those two. So for now, let me remove it. And if I didn't remove, jeez, it's a good thing I removed the copper, that capacitor. Yes, I wouldn't see this. Ow. Whew. Crazy me. And guys, this is it right here and my finger right here. Yeah, the focus with this camera is not so good as I told you before. Alright, so that's a 10 ohm resistor. I'm gonna replace that also. So on this side here, and I said I was gonna remove this cap right here too. Let's just do it right now. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Man, pins are long. Alright. Wow. Jeez, I damaged this one. My words. I'm gonna have to replace this. So hope I have replacement. Yeah, look at that, guys. I drag the pin out before I cheese. Alright, so as I told you guys, a 10 ohm resistor. Let's remove it. 10 ohms. And the coding on it was 100. So that's 100 in 10 ohms. So if it did have 100, if it was like 1000 ohms on this, it would be that's 100 ohms resistor. That's all they do the stuff with them. Alright, that's that. And these caps are 4,700 microfarad at 16 volts. You could put the 25 volts there, it works just the same at 4,000 something microfarad. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, no, that's not gonna be a big deal. Yep, the 25 volts will work perfectly just the same. Alright, so I'm gonna replace all those guys and get back to you guys real soon. Hold on, something is not right here. Why is this thing coming up out of the circuit? Come on. Come on. Alright guys, give me a minute here again. Okay guys, so here and the gate drain source on the gate here, these are some 1 ohms resistor here. Yeah, 1 ohms. No, it's 1 ohm. Yes, it says 0.1 ohms. Yeah, there's some burnt out. So one of them wasn't reading right here. So alright, one is bad on that side. This is good. That's good. 0.1 ohms. 0.1 ohms. 0.1 ohms. 0.1 ohms. And this is no. Yes, yeah. 0.1 ohms. So yeah, one of them I have to replace, guys, and then alright, then. So as I was saying, guys, these caps 4,700 microfarad at 25 volts. The one there was 16 volts, but you could put at 25 volts. That won't hurt it. That's even better. No problem. So don't worry if you don't have a 16 volts. Once you have the voltages up and ready, 25 volts, yeah, you're good. Just make sure the microfarad is always right and stuff, are not far off. Not that far off, but this one I'm going to install this here, guys. So come on, don't do me that. This thing. All right, man. Another one here. Just put this side in first. The hole is not properly cleaned out where it should go. See, I was wondering why it was leaning to one side. I thought it was swollen underneath, but I see why. Transformer is right there. That's how that's how it was from the factory. So That's not a big issue. Yeah, guys, when you solder, yeah, please do this, especially when it's a two-sided board. So the solder can seep through the other side. You clip these pins off real low, like why do I hate to have the pointiness? Those pins pointing out like crazy. Let's see if I get this hole to open up a little. Let me open it up a little. Well, yeah, that sounds kind of funny. Just saying that. Definitely sounds funny. Alright, I can't cut these in a little pointy way so that it can stay right there while I turn this over. And then do this. Uh-oh. Then I do this. Just making sure it's in the correct way before you do anything else, guys. So to tell you guys, this amplifier took a lot out of me than I was expected. If everything was on camera, you would see guys, but I'll explain to you guys while I go. Some stuff I have to do. Alright, I blew it a little, so yep. So you can see the cliff solder like from the factory. The negative facing out. Alright. Alrighty then, as Jim Carrey would say. So now there's some resistor connected here. Good. That's good. On that side. This thing goes on so horrible. You'll be surprised that some of these resistors reading really good. This cap here, that's not normally go bad. These are 40, 4R7, that's 4.7 ohms resistor. You have to check them. So now I'm going to have to look for a 1 ohm resistor, guys. So I'll get back to you guys real quick. This video is going on like almost 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to make a part 2 of it, and I'll get back to you guys because it's going to take me a little time to find this. So maybe I'm going to have to charge the phone right now, and I'll get back to you guys on the part 2 of this video for this. When I'm installing these power supply MOSFET and the output MOSFET. I'll get back to you guys real quick, okay? Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thank you guys. CNC, Carty and Carty is out for now.
Special delivery.